Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today, almost weekend. In today's newspaper on Friday, September the 16th, 2022. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, a tectonic with 1 star. And the last one is a binary puzzle, and those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. All the links of these puzzles are below, but I only do 4 of them, half of them, because it's too much for me, time consuming. I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube, so otherwise it will be a day job for me. So only 4 of them I will solve. Those are the 3 stars, the 4 stars, the binary, and the tectonic with 4 stars. Alright, the 3 stars Sudoku. This will be number 5184, I believe. Yeah, 5184. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? But the 3 stars is always 25, and for a 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 4 2s. We have here 3 4s. We have here 2 3s. 2 3s, 3 4s. 3 5s, 4 6s. Okay, 2 7s, 2 8s, and 3 9s. So the 2s and the 6s are in majority. So let's get started with the 2s. The 2 in this row, the 2 in the second row. So in the third row, there are only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We see here 2 in the first column, no 2 there. Here 2 in the second column, so no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Well, now I cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. Yeah. How about the 6 then? 6, okay. 6. We have a 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, no, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we see a 6 in the second row. So no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, okay. Well, still I cannot continue with the 6. Let me see. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 7. We have a 2 and a 3 and a 7 in this column, so no 2 and a 3 and a 7 in those 3 boxes. The 2, 3, and a 7 goes in these 3 boxes. 2, 7, and a 3. Okay. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. Well, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here, 6 in this row, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be here. So the other 2 missing numbers should be the 1 and the 4. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, there are only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, we see a 4 in the second column. No 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, okay. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 4. Well, we have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, or there. Here, or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here, 4 in this middle row, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, okay. Cannot continue with the 4 now, but we have here Two. Let me see. 5. 3 9. 5 3 9 and 8. Well, 8 should be here, should be there. 8 8 8 8. 5 5 5 5. Yeah, I'm thinking 5 8 and a 9. 5 8 and 9. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 5 8 9. 5 8 9. 5 8 9. 5 8 9. And look, we have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 8 and the 9 are left. 8 and the 9. Let me mark those. 8 and the 9. 9 9 9 9. 8. 8 should be here. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so no row between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there, 9 9. Okay, that means we need a 9 here. Yeah. 1 2 3 4. 4 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here, 9 in the column next, so no 9 there. Here cannot be a 9 because we have a 9 over there. So here can also not be a 9. So the only place left for the 9 in the middle row should be there. 9 9. Okay. So now 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 9. We have an 8 and a 9 in this column. So no 8 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 8 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. So 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this third row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 1 box left in the second column for number 1. Alright. 1387. 1387. Yeah. 387. 66. 11. Come on. 3 5 5 5 3 and the 7. Well, 4 4 4 8 4 8 and the 7. I'm thinking 8 8 8 1 8 1 and 6. 6. Okay, 5 5 5 5 5. 2 2 2. Yeah. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 in these 3 boxes here. 2 in the last row. No 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there in this big square. 2 2. Okay. Here can be 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Could be 7 8 9 7 and 8. Thinking. 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 3 1 and a 6 6 6. 1 1. Think. 555. 6, 9, 4, 3. Yeah. For 6 missing numbers in this big square, one of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 in these two boxes. We have a 3 in the second row, so no 3 in those two boxes. So 3 could be here or there. We have another 3 in the last column, so no 3 in there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 3, 3. Okay. 1, 1. 6 and a 4, 4, 4. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this last column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here or there, here or there. We see another 4 in the second row, so no 4 there. 4 is supposed to be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the middle column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Okay, 8, 9, and 6 is missing. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9. And look, we have a 6 and a 9 in this big square. So no 6 and a 9 in this box. The 6 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in the third column. So no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this first row for number 8. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and then 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5. 1 and a 5. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. Okay. Then. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next to only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here or there. We see here 6 in the last column, no 6 there. Here 6 in this column, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes, 1 and 8. We have all the 6s, and all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers in 1. We have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. Okay. Last column. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. Here we have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. Here we have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in the last column should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. Alright. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Yes. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Oh, there we see a 5 in this column. No 5 there, 5 should be there. 5, 5. 5, 5, okay. Now, we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 8 and the 9. We have a 9 now in this row. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And 8 goes there. Oh, 8 in this row, 8 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the third column. No 8 there, 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay. So now we have two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. And the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. One box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. One box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. One box left in the third column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 7 and a 5. One box left in the last column for number, I believe the 2, yes. Two missing numbers in this. No. We have here 1 and 8. One box left in the middle column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. So here we have two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 7 and 5, we have a 7 now in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Two missing numbers in this row, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here. I marked those two boxes earlier with 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Final two numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5. It goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well. 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second puzzle, the 4-star Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.